Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on daily market analysis and stock updates. In this video, we will be discussing about three major important updates we have from market today. Number one, PNB Housing Finance. Number two, Infosys. And number three, a partnership between IOC and Panasonic Energy Co. So we will discuss the complete details in this video. So stay until the end and also like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Now moving on to the first update we have from PNB Housing Finance. PNB Housing Finance, a subsidiary of Punjab National Bank, has been making headlines lately. Last week, both ICRA and CARE upgraded PNB Housing Finance's long-term ratings, citing improved asset quality and strengthened capitalization. Shares surged over 14% in the early morning trade on Monday, with Morgan Stanley assigning an overweight rating and a target price of 970 rupees per share, indicating a potential upside of 54%. By the end of today, PNB Housing Finance shares closed at nearly 20% up. This is significant news for investors, and here is why. Seeing the news, PNB Housing Finance shares opened higher at 657.45 rupees, up by 4.5% against the previous day closing price. In the first 2 hours of trade, the counter gained as much as 14.5% to 720 rupees with a surge in buying volume. The stock trades 21% lower than its 52-week high, but has risen nearly 79% from its 52-week low. What's driving this rally? Well, it's a combination of factors. ICRA and CARE upgraded PNB Housing Finance's ratings, citing improved asset quality and a strengthened capitalization profile. Additionally, the company's focus on the affordable housing segment is gaining traction. PNB Housing Finance has been performing well financially too. In the first 9 months of the current fiscal year, PNB Housing Finance reported a profit after tax of 1069 crore rupees with a return on managed assets of 1.9%, with assets under management of 68,549 crore rupees and a reported gross NPA of 1.7% in Q3 of the financial year 24. The company is showing resilience in a challenging market. As always, it is important to consult certified financial experts before making any investment decisions. And that wraps up the overview of recent rally in PNB Housing Finance shares. Now moving on to the second update we have from Infosys, one of India's top IT companies. Infosys recently announced a major development that's been causing a stir in the financial world. The company is set to receive a whopping tax refund of 6,329 crore rupees from the income tax department. This news has sent Infosys shares soaring with a nearly 2% increase in the opening trade. Investors are optimistic about the company's financial outlook following this significant refund. In addition to the tax refund, Infosys co-founder Narayana Murthy made headlines by gifting Infosys stocks worth 240 crore rupees to his 4-month-old grandson. However, it's not all smooth sailing for Infosys. Alongside the tax refund, the company also faces a tax demand of 2,767 crore rupees, as per assessment orders issued by the Income Tax Department. Infosys has disclosed that it's evaluating the implications of these tax orders on its financial statements. The company's board is scheduled to meet on April 18 to discuss the matter further. As always, investors are advised to stay informed and consult certified experts before making any investment decisions. That's all we have for the Infosys. Now moving on to the third update we have from IOC and Panasonic Energy Partnership. IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, and Panasonic Energy Co. Limited have forged a transformative alliance aimed at propelling India's electric mobility sector into a new era by signing a binding term sheet. These industry titans are laying the groundwork for a joint venture that will manufacture cylindrical lithium-ion cells within India's borders. This strategic move underscores a keen anticipation of the burgeoning demand for batteries, especially in the context of 2 and 3-wheeler vehicles as well as energy storage systems across the Indian market. The decision to collaborate follows an extensive period of feasibility studies during which both entities recognized the pivotal role of battery technology in facilitating India's transition towards cleaner energy sources. As the nation seeks to reduce its carbon footprint and embraces sustainable practices, the partnership between Indian Oil and Panasonic signifies a certified concerted effort to leverage cutting edge innovations for the greater good. In parallel to this initiative, Kanji Bidesh India Limited, has embarked on the landmark project in Argentina, marking a significant milestone in India's pursuit of lithium resources. This venture, the first of its kind led by a government-owned enterprise, underscores the nation's commitment to securing essential raw materials critical for battery production. Moreover, Tata Motors is actively contributing to domestic value addition within the electric vehicle sector by collaborating with Agarates Energy, a subsidiary of Tata Group. This strategic partnership aims to bolster India's self-reliance in manufacturing lithium-ion cells, thereby fostering indigenous innovation and economic growth. With the recent amendment of mining rules in 2023, private companies are now poised to tap into the nation's vast reserve of lithium, cobalt, and nickel, essential components for battery production. This regulatory change not only promotes investment in the mining sector but also strengthens India's position as a global hub for battery manufacturing. As India charts its course towards a greener, more sustainable future, collaborations like this underscore the pivotal role of public private partnerships in driving innovation and fostering growth. That's all we have for today. If you really like the effort we put in this video, don't forget to give a like and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. It will motivate us to do videos more like this. And also follow our channel for more engaging content on stocks and stock market updates. Thanks for watching.